In this pocket options 5-second strategy, I'll show you how you can trade binary options without any indicator. So if you want to trade binary options without using any indicator, then this video is going to be perfect for you. And as I see you in any of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn, either from me, from any paid course, or from any other YouTube channel, firstly test that strategy in your demo account perfectly, okay, and then only go with the real account. Don't be like just learn a strategy and directly implement in real account. It may cause you heavy amount of loss. So please do firstly test properly on your demo account. So if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to smash the like button in below this video. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, what you need to do is, if there is a flag, okay, this kind of flag, then just click on it and just select this time frame, okay, and then click on S5, okay, that is going to set 5-second time frame. And in candles also, just select it and make sure this candle is selected, and then click on S5, okay. Now you are perfect to trade on 5-second. So if this currency pair is not allowing you to trade on 5-second, then you cannot trade in 5-second, okay. Search for any other pair that allows you to trade on 5-second. And once everything is done, then what you need to do is just click on this button, okay, and then come below and click on this key, okay. Just click on here, and then you will see at here a bar will appear. So now what you need to do is, firstly you go to your demo account, okay, demo account, and choose one side, either lower side of 4% or 96%, okay. This keeps on changing. Sometime here you will see 10%, sometime here you will see 10%, 20%, okay. So choose one side, either it is lower or higher percentage, okay. Let's say I'll go with higher percentage. Then what I need to do is, it is in the red side, that means you need to keep on trading by clicking on lower, okay. So let's click on lower on 5-second and see if it is going to make us profit. Yeah, it made us a profit. So again, what you can do is, you can again choose, don't be like trading in single chart, okay. Try to search for other currency pair also, 2 to 3 currency pairs. So let's go at here and let's see. Let's go with the higher, okay. Again, here also it is 96, it is showing 96%. So let's go with lower here also and see if it can make us profit or not. So it didn't, okay. So let's go to another currency pair. So for example, you can choose any of these, okay. You can, if there are cryptos, commodities also allowing you to trade on 5-second, then you can do with that also, okay. So make sure you put the currency pair that made you profit, okay. Remember the currency pair. So let's see, let's go with higher, that is going to be here. So let's click on there and see if it is going to make us a profit. No. So again, what you can do is, you can again go to your currency pair that made you profit. So it is showing 70%. So let's click on this higher. Yeah, it made us a profit. So in higher is in now here. So let's click on here and let's see. Yes, it made us a profit. So in this way, you can find this kind of currency pair where this bar can give you signal, and just catch up one signal and see in whichever currency pair it is working again and again, and keep on trading on that currency pair until you make good amount of profit. And do use the money management strategy, okay. I have already posted about the money management strategy in my previous video. I'll make sure to put that video's link in the description of this YouTube video. You can watch that and use that money management strategy and this trader sentiment bar in order to trade binary options without any indicator. And if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section below. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.